I can't see you. How you got up there? He's getting mangoes. I don't even see him. He disappeared. But you can see, there's it, right there. See all the mangoes. And he gave me one already. Mangoes! I'm getting ready for the beach. That's my dad. So my brother getting ready for the beach. We're gonna have fun. This is my second round of sun. Yesterday and today. Hey. This is beautiful. Another day of me walking the beach. It's beautiful, gorgeous over here. This is nice. It's packed too. So this is our group right here. My brother's in the back. I mean in the front. His wife. So we just gotta find a spot. They're playing volleyball in the water. Damn, the water's nice. But damn, they deep. Oh my God, the water's cold. The water's cold. Oh my God, I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to swim. That's deep. Amarito, that's deep, man. I can't swim. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yo no puedo nadar y ellos están bien.
¿Está lejos? ¿Está bajito?
Sí. Oh, cuidado. Alright, I'm gonna have to go, but I can't bring my phone. But this is the beach that I'm in. It's in Fajardo. So we're in Fajardo Beach. It's nice. There's no waves. That's what I like. It's not like the beach yesterday that I was in. It was wavy. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and go over there. All right, guys. See you soon.